it's a Friday and it's my first recording of the week.
It's a Saturday.
No, it feels like a Saturday, but it's a,
It's a Saturday.
yeah, I picked you up on a Thursday this time. So it's a Friday, and as you can see, I don't know, yeah, it gives me such joy to make these videos with these rabbits, and I don't know where the white one is. White one is one.
Shall I show you?
Where? It's behind my butt, I think.
No, here. I'll show you.
Okay.
She bit this one.
Okay. So, so no, that's what all through the week I've been putting up only these travel videos, and I quite like them actually. So, in fact, and she this girl, this cute little, she's overtaking my video. So, but really, people, this is what life is about, right? Love him so much. Ayush, be careful with him. Please be careful. Because he's so tiny. Actually, yesterday we went to the pet shop and realized all the pets there are 1 month old, and it looks like rabbits tend to survive. Rabbits tend to survive in the summer far more than the winter, you know. Because this guy also is as small as the brown rabbit, right? No? I feel. So really, so these are the two rabbits of my life. He is my pet, and this is my pet's pet. So we are a team. So it's already a 1 minute video, but I love you folks, and I love my son and the little rabbits, and there the other one
So
is.
thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Yeah.